Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy. Hello, welcome everyone. Good evening. Um, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. doing a brief tutorial on the link on the Bitly URL link shortener. The Bitly URL link shortener. And basically what this is a way for you to use a short link through Bitly. Bitly, I will put the link up, is basically bitly.com. And with bitly.com, basically what you would do, if you look here, you see I have a long URL with a referral code on the end. And basically what you would do, you don't want to share those. You will copy this URL and you will come here to where it say create, and you will drop the URL in. If you see, I have done that already, and the title come up. So basically what I do is I put my name on it. I name it whatever I want to name it, and it will save it. I put my name here at the end, but you basically describe it what you want to describe it as. But right here, this is the important part where it says customize the back half. Now in the customize the back half of the link, you come right here to the link, and now you masking the company link, and you're masking it with what you want to describe the link to be. So because this is equipment financing, I would do equipment financing. And so equipment financing, then I will put Day1 Capital. Okay. Equipment financing and Day1 Capital. And that's basically for me to know that this is my link and this is my referral link. Okay. From here, I would go save. And it says the link has been edited. Now, sometime a link may show that it's an error, which means someone else already have that link. So because the name is mine, the back end Day1 Capital is mine, I knew it wasn't going to be used. So equipment financing, and basically what I do from there, I have a folder, and I basically put those in my folder and come up under my folder, and I put here Control V, and I put that there, and that way that link is now attached in my folder, and I basically save it, and now it's in my folder. Now when I want to use this link, I would basically use it. That's the one that I would be sharing. I would not share their company name, because basically you want to mask the company name. You want to mask the referral ID code. You want to mask all that, and you want to just show them what you have. and your name, your code, the way that you would like to share that link. All right. So let me, and this is another benefit of Bitly. Let me share with you another one. So basically, um, anytime, every time your links are shared, they let you know how many times people clicking through your links, how many people on a day-to-day basis are actually going through. So you get to keep up with clicks. You get to keep up with clicks. And you get to also, um, like this one I shared, um, this one have 211 clicks. So anytime you see, you get to see where your traffic is coming from, and it'll share with you here what sources and what places are using where your clicks are coming from, where your clicks are coming from. So that's a another great reason for using Bitly, so you will know exactly where the clicks are coming from. So again, this is a short tutorial. I basically just want to share that with you guys and let you know how to use Bitly. As you see over here, I have a lot of links that I use with Bitly, and all these links, whenever they're being utilized or used, they'll show you how many clicks and how many times people have actually clicked on the renamed link. This would be the original name, and basically you just copy and paste, Control C depending on what devices you're on. You will come right here where it say paste, and you would paste that link. And since this link is already done, but if you did a new link once you paste it, as you remember on the bottom is where you would like to rename that link. Instead of leaving it as a bit.ly, whatever it is, you want to add your own name to the back, and then you save those links accordingly. So again, signing off, Jarvis Cloud Sr, Day1Marketing Inc. Brief tutorial and training about how to use Bitly. Thanks, you guys. Have a blessed day.